Want to learn how you can turn an ugly Word document into a gorgeous looking ebook without any Photoshop skill? Then keep watching this video. Hey, this is Fred Lam, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step on how you can turn an ugly looking Word document into a gorgeous ebook with its 3D ebook cover, and most importantly, how to actually make money using this exact same strategy. But before we get into it, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to get notified right away. But before I go into the step-by-step, it's super important that you create a nice looking ebook for your business. Whether you are in affiliate marketing, local business, service providers, or any form of ways that you are trying to generate leads or email subscribers for your business, an ebook is by far one of the best way for you to start attracting your leads. But at the same time, you don't want to give out a Word document to your subscriber or to your leads. You want to actually turn it into a gorgeous looking ebook to add value and perceived value to exactly what you are giving away to attract these leads. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and most importantly, how to actually take this quick 5-minute strategy to turn it into a side hustle where you can actually start making money without even needing any money to start. So let me go to my computer and I'll show you exactly how to do so. Alright, so let's say that I want to turn this Word document into an ebook that I can actually give away. So here's what I will do. First thing is simply go to canva.com. It is 100% free. Just get an account and there's a link in the video description. When you're inside Canva, you want to specifically look for magazine cover because it comes in the size of 8.5 by 11. So when people download your ebook, they can just print it out and actually have a physical copy of it right in front of them. So when you're going through, there's a lot of templates that you can actually pick and choose right away. So let's say that I'm going to actually choose this pop star over here. When you choose the pop star, you will have the page 1 as your cover. So you can actually just change this. I'm going to call this the FB Lead Ads Mastery. And the text is pretty big, so I can actually make this a little bit smaller to make it look nice. I'm going to say featuring Fred Lam. And I can just change up the images on this side of things. So you can actually change it to whatever image you want. You can actually click on the background, make it a different color. I usually go with blue. So you can see that I can just change with blue. And then I want to change the color into, let's say, white. So I can just click on that. So you can actually, it's kind of like Photoshop, but you don't actually have to pay for it, and you just click on whatever you want to actually make the adjustment. So it's pretty self-explanatory, pretty simple. So let's say that I'm in page 2. I don't like the background color of this. I can just click on it, change the color to something else, and make all the adjustments that I want. I can also continuously add a new page. So here, I can add a new page. And when you see that it is a blank page, you can choose from anything inside on the left side, which obviously have all the templates. So another one, this is going to be a nice template that I can use. I can just change the color to the same blue to make it more universal. And I can just simply copy and paste whatever I have here right into over here. So I can just paste it like that, copy it, going back into here, just pasting it. So again, I'm just literally just copy and pasting exactly from the Word document that I have right into here. So at the same time, obviously this is a little bit too much, so I'm just going to make the adjustment real quick. All right. And again, so on and so forth. So essentially, all you're really doing is just then copy and pasting it back, changing up the images if you obviously would want to do to reflect whatever you are selling. So here I can say introduction, change it to white so that it stands out. And then I can actually change the image. Now, when it comes to image, here's a tip for you. One website that I would suggest you to go to is pixabay.com. It is royalty-free images that you can obviously grab and use. So I can actually just randomly select something right now. I'm going to go like business. And let's say that I want to actually download this. I'm going to download it. And then afterwards, I can go back right into Canva. And I can just go to photos. Oops, sorry. I actually have to go to uploads. And I'm just going to upload from my device. And once I've done so, I can just grab it, drag it right in there. Done. There you go. So you basically go through and have all the templates all created. Let's say that I got this all done. Here's what I will do next. I will click on the print letterhead. No, not print letterhead. This download button over here. And then I won't get the PDF print. Okay, I'm just going to go with the PDF standard. So then I'm just going to download it. And now I actually have an entire beautifully designed ebook all in place. So if I actually save this and open it, I will have this ebook all ready to go. Now, at the same time, I'm also going to actually download a JPEG of just the first page, which is my cover. And here's the reason why I do so. I'll show you in a minute. So once I actually download the JPEG, which is the cover photo of this page, I will go to this website called DIYbookcovers.com. And in here, I can actually create a 3D ebook cover to go along with either my ads or in my emails to actually make it having a huge perceived value on the product that I'm giving away as a lead magnet or selling it as an ebook at the same time. So usually I will go to the composite and you can actually see that there's obviously different designs that you can choose. I'm going to choose the second design over here. Click on next. And now I'm just going to browse, get back the JPEG, which is the cover photo that we wanted, and click on upload. Once I've done that, I click on next and I scroll down and get the PNG. So once I actually did this, just waiting for it to download. There you go. And I'm just going to open it to show you. So once I have that, take a look. I already have a beautiful looking 3D ebook cover all ready to go, along with a gorgeous looking ebook at the same time. All right, so now you actually have your own 3D ebook cover and also a gorgeous looking ebook that you can actually give away. Guess what? This exact same service can be extended to other people where you can actually start making money by literally using just 10 minutes of your time. How? Well, if you go to Fiverr.com, you can actually see that there are literally thousands of people that are specifically looking for graphic designers to create their ebook and also the 3D ebook cover. And it actually costs anywhere from $5 all the way to $20. And right now, with just a few clicks of a button, you can actually turn any design into a 3D ebook cover without even needing any Photoshop skill. And that way, guess what? You can actually potentially start making hundreds of dollars per day by simply just doing this over and over again. And the best part, it doesn't even require you to invest a single penny into the side hustle business, and you can actually get started right away. So I hope that this video inspire you or help you in any way, shape, or form for you to actually turn ugly looking Word documents into a gorgeous ebook where you can actually take this skill and actually turn it into a side hustle business to do whatever you want with those money. So with that being said, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to get notified right away. Now, at the same time, if you want to learn exactly how you can simply take an ebook and build an actual email business off of it, listen, I got a free course for you called the Email Accelerator, where I'm giving away 100% free that you can actually grab right in the video link description right below. So other than that, listen, if ever you are looking to create a lead magnet or ebook, go through this video, simply implement it, and make your lead magnet or ebook gorgeous before you give it away. Because after all, once you add up the perceived value of your even free product, people will most likely be wanting to obviously work with you. So that being said, till next time.